Okay, I'm doing a heater core in a Nissan Maxima 2004 model. One of the things you have to do to get to the heater core is you got to take this intake off in order to get to these heater hoses, otherwise you'll never reach them. So just give you an outline. What you got to do, you got to take the seats out, and I'll show you how to have to take all this out. But you have to take the center console out. Once you unbolt these screws, the glove compartment will come out. There's screws all the way around it. You'll see the housing when I put it back together. I don't really want to show you taking it apart because that just takes too long, but I'll pause the video and come back. And as you can see, I had to take the seats, center console, and this is a step-by-step guide to take out the heater core on a Nissan Maxima 2004 model to about 2009, I think it is. It may be later. I think maybe 2012 if I'm correct. But the heater core is in there, in that area. Sorry if it's a crappy video, I'm using my phone. But I noticed that people don't have any videos about this, so I'm making one for you guys. Hopefully you appreciate it. And I'm out here in the cold, so I'm a little thirsty right now, but it's okay. I'm making a video for you guys, and hopefully you'll like it. And if you don't, then at least you watched it and learned something.